Hello, everyone, and welcome to Eden Automation. My name is Dylan, and today I'm going to be showing you an example of an automation we created for one of our partners. We were able to cut down the processing time of a common document in healthcare systems from 30 minutes per form and a team of 6 employees down to only 15 seconds per form. What you're seeing now is called a face sheet. These typically hold important patient data such as their name, date of birth, social security, and insurance information. With automation, they freed up time, which allowed them to focus on high-value tasks, cutting down patient wait periods, increasing productivity, and decreasing errors often made in this environment. Our automation is relatively complex as it uses a mix of ElectroNeek, Python, machine learning, and document OCR to accomplish these tasks. There were a few challenges involved, as face sheets are not universal across the healthcare system. So we used machine learning to capture the relevant data from each individual format. Additionally, challenges persisted for their invoicing and billing system. So we created an automation that would convert the relevant data into the proper system format. This has relieved hours of tedious and manual data input work for their staff throughout the week, making their jobs more enjoyable and cutting down a team of 6 to only 1, allowing others to focus on portions of patient care that are more important. As you will see shortly, we set up an email server that enables the hospital systems to send documents to it with the subject line "Process PDF." So we'll send an email now with that subject line. Once the document is received with that subject, we will scan the document for all relevant information and input all needed data to their billing system. They receive another email once the file is processed, and at that point, they are ready to move forward with the invoicing automation. There are many opportunities to automate tasks within the healthcare system, such as patient charting, invoicing, billing, human resources, and administrative work, as 30% of all healthcare costs are administration. If you are interested in learning more about how our solutions can help you, please feel free to reach out to us or visit us at edenrpa.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.